Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. I'm about to go to work in my home. I'm about to loosen things up and get rid of some things. And it brings me to this. I am hosting the Purge Decluttering Challenge for 2020. Now, I've asked one of my beautiful sisters to join me, myself, and DIYing it. Her name is Tammy. Tammy will be joining me this year because I'm hosting this twice this year. I will also host this September 15th of 2020. Now, the details were very simple. I wanted you to go through your home, think about what you need, what you don't need, what you haven't used in a minute, and get rid of it. Whether you donate it, give it to a family or a friend, or is it just trash and you're just trashing it? I'm nosy like that, and I want to know what you're getting rid of. So, without rambling on, y'all, I'm about to get busy, all right? Let's do this. Now, to let you know, I have a box sitting here right by me, and I have a few more boxes sitting on the back patio. So we're gonna see how far we can get. Now, I'm starting off with seasonal decor. We just got finished with Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna let go of a few things, like these beautiful name tag holders that I picked up many years ago from Dollar Tree. I have about 6 of these, so I'm gonna let them go. All right, so I'm gonna place them in my box, as well as these signs here. I'm gonna let them go. I have 2 of them, so I'm saying bye-bye to these. I also have some stickers, and I really need to go through my sticker bin because I really don't even use stickers anymore in my planners. But I'll do that one day soon. But I'm letting those heart ones go. Now I'm jumping to Halloween, or, well, not really Halloween, fall. And I'm letting go of some pumpkins. Can you believe that? I have these pumpkins here. I really don't care for these. I used them maybe 1 year and didn't care for them. So these are about a year or maybe 2 years old, and I've only used them once, but I don't like them. So I'm gonna let them go and let somebody else love on them, all right? I also have a box full of pumpkins here that I'm gonna let go of. Just a whole box full of pumpkins. I'm not gonna take them all out because I got quite a bit in here. So I'm gonna let those go. Now, these items I never did use as well over the holidays. And this is full of glitter. These candle holders from Dollar Tree. I have 2 of them. I'm gonna donate those. And these red truck travel mugs or tumblers. Didn't even use them. I guess after I got them home and looked at them, the turnoff for me, love the red truck, but the turnoff for me was the snowmen. I'm here in Florida, so we don't see snow nor snowmen. So I didn't even use these. So these will be going as well. Now, this may be the last of the seasonal decor. I'm gonna let go of this sleigh. It has served me well, but I'm looking for something, a sleigh that's more solid or metal. Haven't found it yet, but hopefully I will this upcoming season, and I'm gonna let this go. Now, the next few items I'm purging, I kind of went through, well, not around my kitchen. My corner cabinet, I have glasses in, all right? And I was like, okay, I don't need all of these glasses. So I purged a few of them. I did go in this one too, this one behind me, and I purged a set of something you'll see in a minute. But I have 8 of these glasses, all right? And I'm letting go of these. I actually picked these up. I don't know if you can see them. They would go good right now in my kitchen with the Pioneer Woman stuff that I have in here, or decor that I have in here. But I have some teal or turquoise glasses already. So I have 8 of these. These are heavy. I picked these up from Hobby Lobby too. But I'm letting them go. They take up a lot of space in my cabinet. I'm letting these go as well, because I just recently picked up some more wine glasses with a different shape. So I'm letting these go as well. I have 3 of these. I don't know why I have just 3. Maybe I broke one. But I'm letting them go. And I already have these boxed up, so I'm only going to take out one. These huge mugs. Alright. You can drink out of these. And I picked these up from Dollar Tree as well. But you can drink out of these. Or what I did, I ate soup and chili out of these. But I have I think I have 8 of these as well. I'm letting them go. Now the next items, I kind of upgraded these during the holidays. Bought some more. These red chargers, they're the plastic. I bought some glass ones over the holidays, all right? I bought 8 of the glass chargers, and that's all I really need. But I have 16 of these, all right? So I'm donating these as well. 16 of them, all right? And continuing on in my kitchen, and I'm gonna do a little purging of this as well, my coffee station, shortly. But I'm getting rid of these alphabet mugs. I got a K and a D, one for me and one for my hubby. I picked up these probably within the last 6 months at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I keep purchasing mugs and I need to stop. I actually have some being out for delivery today. So I need to stop, but I have a mug problem. I'm going through my signs here. I just pulled 3 of them out. I think this one I purchased from the Dollar Tree. It says thankful, grateful, blessed. It's a little on the rustic farmhouse side. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of that. I love the wording on this because this is my favorite hymn. But I want something a little not so rustic or farmhouse-ish. And it says, blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. And this is one of my favorite hymns, and I think that's why I picked it up. So yeah, and I paid half off of $12.99 for it and never did. I don't think I even used it. Now I'm looking at this and I'm like, I probably should keep this because I'm looking at it and I'm like, I could pair all of these 3 pieces together. This is one sign here that says Happy Spring. How pretty is that? So these 3 pieces I may keep. So this one, this watering can, it's picking up the green in the sign here. I guess this is a good thumbnail, right? So I may keep this now that I'm holding it up together and seeing it together. As well as this, but I do have a white one. So we'll see. I'm keeping the white one. I may go on and keep this as well. So those 3 pieces I may keep, y'all. So I'm gonna sit them right here and play around with them, because you never know. Now these I pulled off of my back patio because spring is coming, y'all. I want to make room for some new stuff for spring. And the tops don't come off of these jars, and I don't like this gold. I probably could paint them, but I'm gonna let them go. I've had them for a couple of years. I've loved on them. Let somebody else enjoy them. I have 2 sitting here, okay? Before I move on to my big items, y'all, I have filled up 3 boxes. Well, technically 3 big boxes, 2 small boxes. I think I did pretty good. You'd be amazed at how much space little tchotchkes and little items take up in your home, all right? All right, guys, here's another item that I am donating. Actually, it's 3, which is this chair. I purchased this for I think like $16 at Big Lots, and I wish I could have came across 3 more, but I didn't. So it's going bye-bye. I wish I had a porch big enough to hold just a chair, but I don't. And I may see if a neighbor wants this, put it on next door and see if a neighbor wants this chair, which is a good idea. So either I'll donate it or, again, put it on next door and say, who wants a chair? I have one that I want to get rid of. Also, these pillows are going. Can you believe that? That's another thing that I need to purge, believe it or not. So yeah, I'm getting rid of a set of pillows, just 1 set. If you've been watching me, you know I love pillows. So let me show you the next item. All right, I'm up here in my master, and between the closets, my hubby and I closets, I have this table sitting here. I'm gonna get rid of it. I just reached out to my brother and my dad to see if they want it. Whichever one claims it first, they can have it. If not, I will take it and donate it. All right, y'all, I am in my garage and it is a hot mess, but I do have this rug, and you may remember it. I've had it for many, many years. I'm going to get rid of it too. It's an 8x10 rug. I think I'm going to try my hand at selling it online. Hubby and I, we are planning to tackle this garage within the next couple of weeks, so you may see a video on that too. We have a lot of stuff out here that can go. Something else we recently got rid of, and I did not get any footage on this, was the refrigerator in our garage. Now at first, my hubby, I was somewhere, I probably was out shopping, and my hubby calls me and says, hey, we have a neighbor in the neighborhood. His refrigerator went out on him and he is in need of a refrigerator. What do you think about giving him this refrigerator? So I was like, no problem. It'll probably make room. I know it will make room in the garage. So I have no issue with giving him the refrigerator. So the refrigerator is gone, y'all. But I got to thinking, when we entertain and host during the holidays, what are we gonna do? So I'm looking for another refrigerator. But I'm not gonna put it out there, okay? So yeah, we'll see what happens with that. I want to put a refrigerator in my pantry. All right, so I'm gonna see if my refrigerator that I have in my kitchen now will fit in my pantry. which means I have to do a purge, y'all, in that pantry. It's a hot mess right now anyway, so you'll be seeing that soon too. But yeah, I got to get rid of some stuff in there. I also have a deep freezer, so if I do that, the deep freezer has to go. All right, so I think what I need to do this year is take my house room by room and get rid of some stuff. All right. Also, let me put this out here too, because it's coming up very fast. I am doing a spring clean with me series. So stay tuned for that. It's every week in the month of March. Details for that is in my community tab, because I list all of my collabs and challenges in that community tab. I will no longer come on here and do a invite video. I may mention it like I'm mentioning it now. But yeah, that's coming up. So if you're interested in doing that, you can do a clean with me series with me for the month of March. I would love to have you join in the fun, so look for the details in the community tab. Now there will be a playlist, so you can be nosy too and see what those that are participating in this Purge Decluttering Challenge, you can see what they're getting rid of. You'd be amazed at the stuff people donate. If you love thrifting, you already know. But you'd be amazed at some of the things that people donate, get rid of, trash, or whatever. Which brings me to this. Within the next week or so, I'm going to bring to you something that I found on the curbside. All right? You're not going to believe it. But yeah, so I hope you take a look at the playlist. The link will be listed in my description box down below. Those that are participating, I want to take the opportunity right now to thank you for making this collab a huge success. I also want to thank my co-host Tammy for joining me in all of this fun. But it feels good to let go of some things in your home and make room for new, or just to let go and don't make room. But please check out that playlist. Let me stop because I am rambling. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload, all of the organization, all of the decorating, all of the purging, all of the shopping hauls, you name it, we do it right here. We have fun on this channel. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, as well as Diva Designing on a Dime. That's me. We have an Amazon store, so all of those links can be found in the description box down below. Go over to the Amazon store, take a look, do a little shopping from your home, your computers, let your fingers do the work. Have some fun over there. I would love to have you there. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, I love you guys so much, and I thank God each and every day for all of you. Thank you all for watching. You take care. You be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.